Everyone, welcome back. This is day 123 of my coding journey. In this video, I'm going to be working on my React project, my travel agency site. So there's a few things that I want to do to it. Let me show you guys and make sure everything looks good. So I have about an hour and a half. I want to work on the cruise page. If it loads, animations, man. So like whenever I click on a cruise, I want to work on this page. So I want to have like a main image here and maybe some like smaller images. And whenever I click on those images, it'll update the main image. I think I could do that with use state. Shouldn't be too hard. And then over here, maybe have like a little sidebar with, you know, the name and like a big paragraph or something about it. And then yeah, just see how far I can get. I probably should have did a wireframe. I normally like, you know, draw up like a little wireframe on a paper, but I totally forgot about it. So I'm just gonna see how far I can get and see, you know, how I can just style it on the fly, basically just see, move some things around to see how it looks. So let's just see. So I think first thing I need to do is add data to the card data. So like the cruise card data, I'm gonna I need to add images to this, more images. I'm not gonna do each one. I'm just gonna do one for now because that's gonna take time to actually find images, more images for each cruise. But yeah, I might just use some like dummy images, some dummy data right now. So I'm gonna go to Unsplash and just use like some data like resorts. Just use some images from here. Yeah, I'm just gonna probably just use some of those. All right, so I'm just going to do the first one. Am I on Royal? Let's go to Royal Cruise. So Royal Caribbean. I'm gonna do this one first, and that way I could just get it styled, and then I'll just add more images to each one of these later on or whenever I get the time. That's like the most boring part is doing that type of stuff, like actually typing up fake data. It's so boring. But all right, so I know I don't want to do it like this. I don't want to do like image 1 and then do image 2. What I want to do is actually put this inside of the images inside of an array. I'm going to do more images and put it like that. And then that way I can grab it inside of cruise detail. I can grab it easily, I think. So yeah, let's try this. So what I'm gonna do, like these are just dummy images. I'm just gonna copy the URLs instead of like downloading it and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna like just grab anyone. Grab this one, copy image, and paste it in here. I'm gonna do probably like 4, I guess. But actually 1, 2, yeah, like 4, I guess. And one of these can actually be the main image, I think. So the first one should be the main image. That way when I click on it, I'm trying to think. Yeah. So the first one should be the main image. Let's try that. So RC, wait. Yeah, let's do RC like that. That should work, hopefully. That's the image name, RC. We got 2 images. Let's grab this one. Copy image. So 1, 2, 3. Let's grab another one. Let's grab one more. Grab this one. Actually, not that one. I want something like a little bit wider that looks. Grab this one. Actually, this is probably like the same size, right? Not this one. This the one I got? I think they're all the same size. Copy. Alright. Alright, so we got 4 images. Keep it like this for now. Alright. So I'm going to try and see if I can do this. So we got our name. I'm gonna take the name off. We don't need that. There, I need to fix this up a little bit. I'm just gonna start fresh. All right, so see what we're gonna do. Like I said, I want all right, so I want an image. Oh, I forgot. All right, so yeah, I kind of want like an image here. So it's gonna be the main image, and then 4 image underneath, and then over here it's gonna be like a little sidebar. I have the I guess the name, the yeah. So the name's gonna be over here. Maybe like a H1 tag, and then some details. And yeah, so let's see if we can do our best here. All right, so I'm gonna do a div, and this is gonna be class name of left side. That's gonna be the left side. If you guys hear a sound in the background, that's my mini fridge. It's like making some noise every freaking time I mean every like couple seconds. All right, so we got left side, and here's gonna be the images. So let's do, so we're gonna need a main image. Let's do a div for that. Div last name main image, and then here is gonna be image src. Okay, so this is where the tricky part is. So we're gonna grab the main image. So it's gonna be cruise dot more images with the index of 0. So let's see if that works. So cruise dot more images, the index of 0, and then alt can just be that for now. See if that works. Hey, let's get it. Perfect. All right, that main image is so blurry. I gotta change that. That's like, it's not good quality. Actually, I'm gonna change it right now so it can just look better. Let's just go grab a nice high quality image from here. I guess we can grab this for now. Get rid of this. All right, that should update. All right, perfect. That looks better. All right, so sorry I'm a little stuffy as well. All right, so we got our main image there. So that's our main image, and then underneath this, I'm gonna have div. This is gonna be a class name of small images, small image, or more image. Image, and then what I'm gonna do is just copy this, paste it in here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. All right, so we got all the images there. Now I say we do some styling first before I try to do like the little logic where if you click this it'll update that. That should be really easy. I think all I should be able to just use useState and set image and put a on click on each one of these, and I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see about that. All right, so let's style it right quick to style this section. Actually, I say we do the right side too right quick, because trying to see, we got left side, then we got right side. what I want to do is put another div. Do another div. It's gonna be a class name of, I don't know, container. I don't think I can do that actually. Forgot I'm not using modules right now. Let's do class name of cruise details. For now, I'm gonna change all of that stuff, like the names, because I think I might switch back to modules, because I forgot that I started using modules. But for now, I'm just gonna use a regular CSS file. All right, so we got all that wrapped in a div. All right, so this is the left side, and the right side. So div, last name, right side. The right side. Let me make sure everything's recording too. That would have been so annoying. All right, so right side. I'm on to, like I said, I want the text to be over here, so the name. So we're gonna have a div, last name, cruise, I don't know. Fuck. We could just do a div. Don't put a class name right now. Do a div. So we're gonna do a h1. And then here is gonna be cruise dot name. Should be able to see that. No. All right, so there we go. We got the name, and then underneath this is gonna be another div, and this is gonna be cruise dot details. All right, so we got a little details there. All right, I think that's all I need for now. Let's start styling it just a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and add a CSS file to this. Do cruise details.css. All right. Go ahead and import it. Cruise details.css. All right, so let's get the styling. It's my favorite part. All right, so cruise details. I'm gonna do what I always do: display flex. Probably should use a grid. All right, so there we go. Display flex. I'm gonna do a align item center, a justify content center, and we're gonna give it just a gap of 3 row for now. Let's see what happens. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is probably give. So we got more image. All right, so let's give the right side a background color and the left side a background color. Oh, my mouse died. Great. All right, my bad, guys. I had to go get the charger to my mouse. Quick tip: never get a wireless mouse. it's annoying, like having to charge a mouse. But all right, so right where we left off. So I was saying that I wanted to give the right side and the left side like a background color for now, just so I could just see, you know, everything, where's everything at and stuff. So let's give left side background color of blue. And then we're gonna give the right side background color of red. Just so I can see everything. Okay. Oh. So that's just the right side. Okay, hold on. Huh. Okay. Glad I did that. I think it's this. It's a line item sent. It's doing that. There we go. Alright. So we got blue, we got our gap. I'm gonna give the right side a sorry, I'm getting a text. I'm gonna give the right side a flex. I never really used this, but flex 2. I saw somebody using it, and then flex 1. I think that'll make the right side bigger. Not mistaken. Maybe not. Okay. Did I take that? Oh, because I did the wrong side. Wait. Oh, that's the right side. Okay, there we go. It's working now. So right side. Wait, do I got them mixed up? Right side. Flex 2. Why did it grow bigger? Flex 1? Do flex 3. I'm just playing around now at this point. I'm just seeing like, okay, let's take this off and let's start styling this section first. So this is the right side. So this is what I essentially want to do. This is, I think I'm going to make the red side a position fixed. No, not fixed. Fuck. How am I gonna do this? Position fixed. And I have to make this position relative. I kind of wanted to stick over there, but trying to think. Position fix. Do a width of. Actually, let's not do a width. Let's do a height of 100%. Okay. And do a width of, I don't know, let's do 50% for now. I'm just seeing some stuff. And then do a right 0. Okay, so stand. Okay, I think I know what to do. Maybe this is gonna be sticky. Huh. Okay. Let's take this off. Okay. I don't know why that's not working the way that I want it to work. So I kind of wanted to maybe top 0, right 0. Okay. We're gonna play with that a little bit later. Cause I can sit here for hours playing with that. So what I want to do is have like a sidebar, and whenever I scroll, it's still like it stays there, but it scrolls with it instead of having it like that. I'm not sure how I never did it before. But I'm gonna figure it out. So for now, let's do these images. So we got left side blue. All right, so let's get the main image. The more images, okay. All right, left side, the main image. I'm gonna do a width of 100%. And a height. Actually, let's do it with the like. Let's see, we're gonna have to really play around with this. 500 pixels. Change this to 300 pixels very quick. See what happens. All right. Main image. That's okay. Now we can use this to play around with it and it won't overflow. I'm gonna do, let's do 800 pixels. Let's add the margin auto to this. I think that's inside. So yeah, there we go. I think 800 pixels is good for that. Can add a margin top of 2 rem. That. And keep it like that for now. And now let's grab those smaller images, which is more image. I'm gonna do a display flex on these. It can go to the side, and then I'm gonna do a width of 300 pixels. Let's do 200 pixels for now. And I'm gonna give this a margin top of 1 rem, and then we're gonna give it a gap of 1 rem. See where we at. All right, cool. And let's grab more image, and just change this to width 100%. Okay. All right, hold on. So now let's actually try to do that flex thing. So we got main image. Let's actually try to make this bigger. Let's do a flex of 2. And then make this flex 1. Is that how it works? There we go. Yay. All right, perfect. And now I'm gonna give this a main image. I'm gonna give this a margin auto as well. Just center it. Oh no. Ooh, that didn't work. Why is it going off the page like that? A main image, more image. Huh, that is weird. Oh, I think I know what I can do. So since this is a flex, I think that's why. So I should be able to just do a justify content center, and that should center. No, what in the world? What? That is weird. Why is it doing that? Flex. Let's take that off. Huh. Inspect. Do some investigation. Gotta figure this out. That is weird. Let's change the view. Alright. Let's see what's going on here. Why is it not? Okay, so that's the more image. So it's a flex, but why? I think it's because of this. Or I think it's because of the flex. This flex grow. I think. Maybe I should, or maybe it's this. Let's do it with 100%. And then now let's just see if the justified content work on that. That is so weird. Why is it doing that? Origin auto. Okay. So that changes things. So instead of that is so weird. Really want to know why is it doing that. So flex 1, let's change this to flex 2, make that a little bit bigger, and then change this to flex 1. Okay. Maybe let's give it some padding. So we got left side. Let's do a padding of 2 rem for now, so we can see some shit. All right, and flex. Alright, so we got, oh, I bet you I know what it is. Oh my god, I bet you I know what it is. Hold on. Cruise detail. That's why, I think, because the center is okay. It's definitely this. Maybe not. Fuck. I thought it was that. Let's change this to justify content center now. Let's see what happens. Oh, whoa. Wait. We just had it. That was perfect. It looks perfect, right? A little bit. It's a little bit off. Let's change the width 100. Let's change the width of these. Let's do 150. I just think the box is a little too small, maybe. So 150, and then we're gonna do a justify content center. Huh. Let's take off all this flex grow and all that stuff. All right. It's something that I'm missing to get that in the center. It's really something. And I just can't find it. Ooh. Well, I know what it is. I know what it is. Let's do a display flex here. And then we're gonna do a flex direction column. And then we're gonna do a align item center. Bam. Let's go. Let's go, dude. I love figuring shit out. That's like the best. All right, so there we go. Perfect. So yeah, this is kind of like, it's exactly what I want. So I kind of want to make this the left side. Let's do a height of, I don't want to just do 100 VH. There's like a little trick. It's like a calc 100 VH minus 80. Is it 80 pixels? Some shit like that. Yeah, I think that's something like that. 100 VH minus 80. I forgot it. It's like something. Let me look it up. Height calc. CSS. I just want to see. So 100 VH. I think I gotta put like a space and then 80 pixels, something like that. Let's see how that looks. I don't even know what this does. I seen it done before and I just like, so I mean I kind of get it. So it's 100 VH minus 80 pixels, right? So is that what, 920 VH? So I really don't know, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like that. Actually, screw that. We're taking it off. Let's try 90 and see what happens. Okay, so go smaller. Huh. Let's just do 80 for now. Alright, so we got this. I say we go ahead and add the logic in for these. And I kind of want to space them out a little bit more. And maybe make them a little bit bigger. So let's do 250. Oh, not that big. 200. I think that'll look nice, like having them a little bit bigger. Like you see, like the edge is a little bit bigger than the main image. I think that'll look better. Cause I mean, obviously the background color won't be blue, so let's just go ahead and get rid of that for now. Just comment it out. It looks naturally. So it'll look like that. Yeah, I think that looks nice. Okay. Cool. All right, so let's go ahead and add our logic in for updating this main image. So I'm trying to think. So do I want to add like an active class, like an active thing, so whenever it's active, it can maybe like it'll gray out or something? I think I can do that. So what I'll do is probably do the ternary, so is active, and then give it a class. Okay. I think I can do it. I think. Hold on. Let me think. How I would do this. So we'll add an on click, and inside of that on click, we could add the active class. All right, let's get the logic working first, and then see. All right, so let's import use state from React. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and do it underneath all of this. Actually, I'm gonna do it on top. All right, so I'm gonna do a cons. I'm gonna do, I guess, current image, and then set current image. It's gonna be use state, and I guess we're gonna go do the indexes. So we'll do numbers. So the original, the default would be 0, and then so current image. So if it's current image, I'm still thinking about the active state. So if it's current image, I can return, I mean, it'll change the class name to, I guess, image.active. And then when it's not, it'll just be an empty string, because I don't have a class on these. So that, I think that logic will work. And then for it to change the main image, I'll just do an on click event for event, and then change the current image. So set current image to current image. All right, let's see if we can make this work. All right, so let's add an on click to this last one. Let's see if this shit works. So we're gonna do on click, and inside this on click, we're gonna do event, and we're gonna return, I guess, set current image to to 3. Is that how we do it? I'm setting the current image to 3. Okay, and then inside the main image, instead of it having that, we'll do we'll do more images, and then inside this we'll do current image. So now it should update. There we go. It updated. But it changed everything because of the fucking length of the things. Let's add this on click to all of them. Copy. Am I doing this shit right? Alright. Alright, so let's do that. Grab this. I'm gonna paste it here. And paste it here. And so this would be 0, and this would be 1, and this would be 2. Okay, so now I think I got the logic working. So whenever I click this one, it should go to 0, go to 1, 2, 3. Simple. But now, yeah, it's like changing the size. I have to see how to fix that. So let's give this a max width. If that helps. Maybe let's keep that with that, and then actually let's do a min width here. See if that works. Min width. It's almost. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. And then it always still it's always one that gotta fuck up. Min width with 100%. You can just change this to 900 pixels. I think it's the height that's doing it, actually. So let's change this back to 800. And then I think it's the height. So let's do a height of 100% and then an object fit cover. Okay. Oh, still doing it. Maybe. Nah, I can't change the height of this. If I change the height, this is just gonna be huge. Watch. Oh wait, no. Maybe I'll put it. I don't think I should be putting like a height, setting a height for anything like that. I suck at like what's the name of images, man? I really suck at it. Oh, I think I got it though. We got it working. If it works, cool with me. But only thing is I don't think I want it that big. Do 400, and then let's change this to 700. All right. Where's my pattern at? Let's go pattern right here. It's that right there. Let's change. Let's give this a. Let's try the flex grow thing again. Let's do flex 3, and then flex 1. Okay. This is like exactly what I want right here. Perfect. Alright. So let's give the more images a gap of a bigger gap. Let's do 2. Nice. And that's over there. Alright, this is nice. Alright, so now I kind of want to do like an active class. I'm going to try to do it. So whenever it's, I guess, it's active, it'll like gray out a little bit so you know what image you're on. I'm going to do, down here, I'm going to add one. I'm going to do, dot image dot active. And then I'm going to do, a filter. Image filter. So I'm just gonna look up on CSS image filter. There's normally like generators online that you can go to. All right, here we go. Just add like a little grayscale on it. Give me the code. Oh, you just add a grayscale 1. Okay, cool. Let's just try this and see how it looks. Filter grayscale 1. All right, so to do this, I think all I have to do is really simple. We're gonna do a class name and then do a ternary operator. So we're gonna do if it's current, so if current image just so I won't add it to each one. I'm trying to think. Can I add it up here? So I do a const I guess active image, and can I do it in here? So if current image, I don't think I can do it in here, can I? So it'll be like if, nah, I don't think I mean I think I can, but I don't think I want to right now. Okay, where we was just at? So if current image, that we're gonna, the class name is gonna be image and then active, and then when it's not, it's just gonna be empty string. Now let's see if that works. Huh, it's doing the opposite. Okay, it's doing the opposite. So if not current image, there we go. That is weird. Why did it do the opposite? Huh. Okay. I mean, I personally, I like it. I'm just gonna add it. Let's just add it to all of them. So image, and then image, all right. So now, whenever we click one, they're all gray. Why are you doing that? Hold on. Oh, it's because they're not active yet. So yeah. Alright, I low-key don't like that. There's something up. Hold on. Huh. Wait, did I add the right thing? Take these off. That is so weird. Alright, that's gonna be something I gotta play around with. I mean, we got the logic working though. I'm proud about that, but I don't know. Guess sometimes stuff just don't work out. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely look into that. and see. I mean, I kind of do want to add like an active class on it, because just so you can know it. I mean, you kind of know what image you're on anyway, but I mean, probably don't really need that. All right, so let's start styling this sidebar, and then I might end the video. I don't know how long I've been recording. All right, so let's do that a little bit. Go ahead and grab, so we got our sidebar. Let's give it same margin top and the same padding as this one. So left side. Wait, so left side then. I gave the main image a padding. I don't think that should. I think the padding should be here. All right. Margin top. Add that here. And add the same padding. So we have 3 rem for the padding. Should be nice and equal up to that one. All right, so I guess here we'll do a display flex as well. In the call. Sorry, I was getting a call. All right, so I'm gonna do a flex direction column. Make sure I hit record again. All right, perfect. And I'm gonna do a align item center. Okay, so I want the text to be big, so I'm gonna do I'll grab it like this. So right side H1, we're gonna do a fonts FS 18. Oh, not 18 pixels. We need at least 2 rem. Okay, why is not grabbing you though? Right side H1. Okay. Let's give this a class name. Let's do a class name of girls name. Oh, a font style. Oh my god. Really? Crew's name. H1. Maybe it's already 2 rem. Oh, so it was already 2 rem. Wow. Okay. Let's do one nice and big. Royal Caribbean, and then let's do a X transform uppercase. And let's bring this down to. Oh, let me show you guys a trick actually. So when you text wrap like that, I found out that you can do a white space, no wrap, and it'll like turn like that. I don't know if that's a good idea to do it, but yeah. So white space, no wrap. And then I'm gonna give this a margin. Actually, it's not giving no margin. We could just give this a gap of rem. All right. And I think it's safe to say we can take the background color off for now. Might need it again later. And maybe give the text some color. Let's see if my presets are working. Nope. Always gotta type it in. Primary color. Alright. And alright. This will be the cruise details. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna put here, like underneath it and stuff. So I don't know. I think I might end this video here, to be honest, cause like I'm still trying to figure out some everything. But before I end the video, I actually want to try something. Sorry if you guys hear my broken chair. I actually want to try something. So I kind of wanted this to be like a little sticky I guess sidebar here, and then whenever we scroll, this will stay here, and then you know, hey, you'll have the images here, and you have some more details whenever I scroll. So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm going to, I think, I'm gonna add this again just to test it. And it should go right at the bottom of that. That's not what I wanted. Actually, let's add it again. Add it a few times, just so we can get it to scroll. And I didn't do shit, but I was adding it. All right, just so we can get it to scroll like that. So I want this to scroll with it. So I might have look up how to do that. How to do a sticky sidebar CSS. Okay, how to make a sticky sidebar with 2 lines. Blah blah blah. So that's it. Oh, position sticky. I just needed that one line. I think that's it. Let's see. Where we at? Right side. Position sticky. I thought I tried this. It's not working. What are you talking about? And top 0. Maybe that's it. Nope. Maybe it's this WebKit. Let's try this WebKit. Sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, that'd be it. I'm telling you, I didn't had the issue before. Nope. I never made a sidebar before. Oh, I know what it is. 100 VH. I bet you that's it. Nope. Thought it was. Do I have to make something, maybe position relative? So this is the sidebar, sticky. We have our sidebar. None of that should matter, the width. So this gives us 2 elements. Note that the height 100 VH is the height of the current viewport setting. So setting the height of the main div to 150 gives it height that would be 1.5 times that screen. What? Hold on. my god, that is it. So I just need to make this big as hell. There we go. Got it. I got the sidebar. So yeah, this is exactly what I want, guys. Just like this. So you keep scrolling, like the details and everything, and stay here. And then my like it's gonna fill up the whole bar there. Let's add our background color back. Just so I can see everything. So yeah, it's gonna fill up all that with content. I might add some like something down here. I don't know. That'll be there. I just gotta do some research on other sites and see what they're doing, whatever they're putting on the product pages. But yeah, I might have like some contact info or something. Pricing, of course. Maybe a add to cart button. I don't know. But yeah, so we got our sidebar. That's how you do it. Okay. Yep. So there we go. I think that's it for this video for today. Tomorrow I'm definitely gonna work on this off camera and get it completed. Before I do that, before I forget, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of all this stuff. All right, get my thing back looking right. All right, perfect. Yeah, we got our sidebar. Let's go. All right, so that's it for today. Didn't really do much. What took the most time was, you know, trying to get this to work. So yeah, off camera, I'm gonna probably work on this maybe tomorrow. I'm not gonna have time today. Learning some more Next.js. So yeah, so that's it for me today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.